नमो नमः. Myself, Dr. Pallavi Chaugule, MD रोग निदान एवं विकृति विज्ञान. Welcome to the third part of discussion on Kushtha Vyadhi. In the last video, we were seeing Rushya Jiva. So we will continue with Rushya Jiva, which is a type of Mahakushtha. Okay. So we were seeing Lakshanas of Rushya Jiva according to Charak Nidan Sthan, 5th Adhyay. That is Parushani Arunavarnani Bahiranta Neelapita Tamra Avabhasani. Now here these are the characteristic features of the lesion produced related to its color. Next is its progress and formation. So Ashugati Samuthana. Ashugati means its progress will be very fast. Samuthana, that means new lesions will also be produced at a faster rate. Anya Alpakandu Kleda Krimini. So compared to the others we have seen earlier, there will be less of Kandu, Kleda and Krimi Utpatti. Daha Bheda Nistoda Bahulani. So here it will be more of Daha Bheda. Bheda means there will be cracking in the lesions. Nistoda, that is pricking type of pain will be more. Shuka upahatto upamam vedanani utsanna madhyani. So shuka upahatto, shuka means thorn like, as if some thorns are pricking, such type of pain will be there. Utsanna madhyani, that means there will be, the lesions will be elevated at the center. Tanu paryantani means comparatively to the center the borders will be thin. Karkasha pidaka chitani. Achitani means all the lesions will be covered. Achit means covered. So the lesions will be having small pidakas in them, which gives it the characteristic appearance of tongue like. Dirgha parimandalani. So dirgha parimandal means the lesions will be very big, and parimandal means it will be circular, round or globular in structure. Rushya Jiva Akrutini. So already we have seen the image of Rushya Jiva. So if you can see here, you can see like pidaka like. It is not very smooth. The texture is coarse. So it is because of the pidakas produced. Charak Chikitsa also says the same. Karkasham Rakta Pariyantam Antah Shavaha. So that means the edges will be Rakta Varna, while the inner lesion will be Shava Varna and with Vedana, Savedanam. Yad Rushya Jiva Samsthanam Rushya Jivam Tad Uchyate. So the next is Pundarika. Now Pundarika means white lotus. So here the Lakshan given according to Charak Nidan is Shukla Rakta Avabhasani Rakta Pariyantani Rakta Raji Shira Santatani Utsayedavanti. So again here also they have given the color of the lesion, which is Shukla Rakta Avabhasani. That means it will be white colored lesions having shades of red, having red edges, that is Rakta Pariyantani. It will be all covered with Rakta Raji Shira, that is red lines and red blood vessels can be seen. Utsedavanti, that means the lesion will be elevated. Bahu Bahala Rakta Puya Lasikani. So here also Bahu means copious or abundant. Bahal means thick. So the exudate coming will be either blood, pus or lasika. Its viscosity will be thick and quantitatively it will be copious or abundant. कंडुक्रिमी दाह पाकवंती आशु gati samuthana bhedini. So here, as there is no prefix given for kandukrimi daha, we have to consider same bahu only here. So there will, these pundarika will be having bahu kandu, that means excessive kandu, and krimi utpatti, severe daha, and will be having a tendency of pak, that is necrosis. Ashu gati, that means the progress will be very fast. Ashu samuthana, that means lesions will be produced, new lesions will be produced at a faster rate. Bhedini, that means the lesions will scar or they will get eroded at a faster rate. Pundarika palasha samkashani. So here in Tika, Pundarika palasha shabdena means Padma pushpa dalam iha. That means like the petals of Padma or lotus flower. So the lesions which look like the petals of white lotus. So if you see the image, now here I will zoom the image, you can see these are basically white but having a slight tinge of reddish or pink like color. So this is what is intended. So such lesions produced are called as Pundarika Kushtha. Charak Chikitsa says, Sashwetam Rakta Pariyantam Pundarika Dal Upamam Sa Utseda Sa Ragam Cha Pundarikam Tad Uchyate. So basically the lesions are white in color, having red edges. Lesions shape will be, texture will be like Pundarika Dala or petals of lotus. The lesions are Utseda Yukta, that means elevated at the center, and such are called as Pundarika Kushtha. So the next is Siddhma. Now Siddhma is Vata Kapha Pradhana. So the Lakshana given by Charak Nidansthana Parusha Arunani. So as we have seen, it means the lesions will be Parusha, that is rough to touch. Color will be Aruna. Vishirna Bahis Tanuni Antah Snigdani. So Vishirna means it will be rough or uneven. Tanu Antah means thin at the center. Antah Snigdhani, so it will be comparatively snigdha. So we have seen already Parusha, so it means at the edges it will be rough, and as we move towards the inside of the lesion it will be snigdha to touch. Color will be Shukla Rakta Avabhasini. So this is the inner lesion's color. Bahuni Alpavedanani Alpakandu Daha Puyalasikani. So here Bahu is related to the Sankhya of the lesions. That means the lesions will be multiple in number, but they will be having Alpavedana, Alpakandu, Alpadaha, Alpapuya or Lasika Sravaha. Laghu Samuthanani Alpa Bheda Krimini. So Laghu Samutha means the spread of the lesions or the production of new lesions will be very slight or having a very slow progress. They will be having less of Bheda creamy. The color will be similar to Alabu Pushpa Samkasha. So if you see the Alabu Pushpa, this is image of the Alabu Pushpa. So if you see here, not just only the color but the texture, you can say it is very much thin, papery like. So this is what exactly is meant. So see, whenever acharyas are giving any similes, they are pointing towards its color, its texture and the nature of the lesion. So you can see in the image the petals of the Pushpa, Alabu Pushpa, which are rough like, papery like. So similar lakshanas will be seen in Siddhma Kushtha lesions. Charak Chikitsa says Shvetam Tamram tanu cha yat rajogrushtam vimuchati. So the lesions are mostly whitish in color with tamra tinges. Tanu, that means they will be very thin. Yet rajogrushtam vimunchati, that means whenever a person itches those lesions, there will be powdered like emission of